the next state as an object. So we're just going to say, go ahead and return burnt. Go ahead and return unlit. And we do the same type of thing for each one of these states, saying, what do I want to return? Now, what's nice about this pattern is that each of these guys here is a method. So not only can you say return new burnt, you can do anything else you want inside there. It's just code. So that gives you a great place to put action code. And you can just write the action code as normal code because it's code. But there's a real big problem with this pattern, the way that they represent it. Having each of the states as a separate class makes it virtually impossible to see the whole state machine. I mean, if you represented something as a table in some code, you have, a table that you've written, or maybe it's in an XML file or some other kind of file to represent the data. It's all in one place. You can read it. Somebody can noodle through exactly how it works. But with the basic Goff state pattern, it's just spread out. And there's no way to see, if you look at each one of these individual ones, what the whole machine looks like. Okay, this is where I think the enumerations come in really, really nice. Let's take this example here and encode it up as a state pattern, but use a constant for each one of these states. So we can start by saying new class Christmas tree. And we'll assume that the Christmas tree has some other functionality in it as far as fitting in the system. He's a little GUI object that can move around and things like that. But what we're interested in is a little enumeration inside there. And so inside this enumeration of states, I'm going to have each of the states. I'm going to have lit, unlit. Actually, let me start with unlit. Unlit, lit, wet, burning.